Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, The Junk Seller. So students, you have to take out textbook page number 60. Okay, so let's start our new chapter. In this chapter, students, we will see the concept of multiplication through the story of a junk seller who is a woman named Kiran. So let's see the story. Have you ever met a kabari wali, a woman who sells junks? This is a true story told by Kiran, who has a junk shop in Patna. So here we can see a woman sitting in a junk shop who is selling junk, who is a junk seller in Patna. So let's see her story. I studied in a Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. So Kiran studied in a Hindi medium school, not in an English, Hindi medium school. And her father wanted girls to study like boys. I loved Hindi and science, but I hated maths. So Kiran is saying that he loves the subject like Hindi and science, but she did not like maths. Today maths is most useful for my work. I could never imagine this in school. So Kiran is saying that the subject which is the most useful for her work is maths. So she could not ever imagine in the school that it could be very useful in the future. So let's see the further. When I was young, my father died in an accident. So my mother worked as a servant in some houses. So the Kiran, when she was young, her father died in an accident. So her mother worked as a servant in houses. We had a difficult time. I had to leave school after class 8th. So Kiran left the studies from the class 8. I wanted to study more, but my mother got me married. So Kiran want to study more in higher standards, but her mother got her married. My husband's family lived in a mud house. His two brothers and his sister did not go to school. He had a tea stall. So she is talking about his husband's family. So they lived in a mud house, not in a pakka house. They were living in a mud house made of mud. His husband has two brothers and one sister, and they did not go to school. And their occupation means their work was a tea stall. They earned through a tea stall. Now let's see the next page. Find out how much for a cup of tea. So here we all know that we all go and drink tea from the stalls also. So here we have to write here that at a tea stall what is the price of the tea. So I think at the tea stall the rupees is 10, right? And in a hotel price is 50, right? Now we will see next. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, अगर एक पर्सन अगर टी स्टॉल रन कर रहा है तो उसको एक दिन के रुपीज़ 30 मिल रहे हैं. हाउ मच विल ही अर्न इन 10 days? सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. फॉर 1 day rupees 30. So for 10 days how much? So what we will do, we will multiply 30 multiply 10. What is 30 multiply 10? 30 multiply 10 is 300. Understood students? So for 10 days the person will get rupees 300. Now let's see the next one. Add and in a month. So here what we have to find, in a month how much will a person earn. So again we will compare. For 1 day rupees 30. So for 1 month is equal to 30 days. So for 30 days how much? So what we will do, 30 multiply by 30. So 30 multiplied by 30 is 3 threes are 9 and 2 zeros. So the answer is 900. Now let's see next story. I thought of starting my own business. Kiran is saying her further story that she thought of starting her own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. He thought to open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. So her uncle said that if she would open a junk shop, she could earn a lot. So in 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. We took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. So here Kiran is saying that in 2001 they had opened a junk shop, and for opening a junk shop, what they did, they took a loan of rupees 8,000. So students, do you know what is a loan? So let's see what is a loan. A sum of money borrowed from a friend, bank or any institution that is expected to be paid back with interest. So a loan is a money which we borrow from a friend, we can borrow from a bank or any institution also. But that money is borrowed, we have to return it back. So that is expected to be paid back with interest. Not only that money, but we have to pay back with some interest money. Okay, understood students? Have you ever heard of someone taking a loan? For what? So my friend who has borrowed a loan for a bike. So we will write here bike loan. How much loan was taken? So 60,000. And how much money was paid back? So money paid back was 62,000. Understood students? So here loan was taken of rupees 60,000, but money paid back was 62,000. So did you understand the meaning of interest? We have to pay extra money when we are returning back the money. So here the interest is rupees 2,000. Understood students? Now let's see the next one. Next is Hariya and Babu. Hariya and Babu want to buy a handcart for rupees 300. Handcart means a lari, that is known as a handcart. So Hariya is telling, I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months. So Hariya has taken a loan of rupees 300 for 6 months, and I will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. So he has to pay 51 rupees every month. And now here what Babu is telling, but I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from Chunilal. Babu has not taken a loan from bank, but from a person, that is Chunilal, and after 6 months he will pay back rupees 360. So what we have to find out? We have to find out that who has to pay back more, Hariya or Babu. Okay, so let's see. So students, this is the loan taken by Hariya and Babu. Hariya has also taken the loan of rupees 300 and Babu also loan of rupees 300. Hariya will give rupees 51 every month. So for total 6 months he has to pay 51 multiplied by 6 means 51 rupees every month. So for 6 months Hariya will pay rupees 306. Okay, and for Babu, after 6 months Babu will pay back how much rupees? Rupees 360. So Hariya has to pay rupees 306 and Babu has to pay 360. So how much is the difference? We can see here the difference is 360 minus 306. So 54 rupees. So Babu will pay how much more? 54 more rupees Babu will pay. So Babu has to pay more money. How much money? Rupees 54. Understood students?